fire. I'm going to cook 3 recipes. And now I'm going to cook my first recipe. It is fruit salad. Here is pomegranate, this is oranges, this is chopped bananas, and this is chopped apples. We will not add any spices in this because spices are not so much healthy for our body. So we'll make with this. Here I am having some pomegranate and here oranges. This is chopped apples and chopped bananas. We will mix them together and we will mix it gently because if we mix hardly it will be cutted off. So we will mix slowly. This like we should mix this for at least 2 minutes. Because if we not mix up to a time of long time, then it will not mix up properly. So we will mix it. Here I have mixed it properly and here this is my fruit salad. It's very. Now I'm going to make with this. This is sweet like sugar but it is very big than sugar. This is chopped banana. This is tulsi leaves which is very healthy. And this is almonds. Now we will mix them up. First we will take this tulsi leaf in our hand side because first we have to mix it. We will mix it properly. And now I will put some tulsi leaves. Not all the time. First we should put some of the tulsi leaves. Then we have to mix. Again, I am going to put some. And I have put now all the leaves. It's very healthy for us. Tulsi leaf is also a medical plant. Now I have put it here. And for decoration, I am going to put here this tulsi. I have prepared this so you can see. This is my sweet salad which is used with bananas. This is almonds and sugar, tulsi. This is my fruit salad which is made only with fruits and it is very healthy for us. And this is made up of cucumber and onion. And I have added this black salt and this lemon. Thank you. I will make my second recipe. It is salad. Cucumber and onion salad. This is black salt. This is lemon. And these are onions and these are. Now we will mix them this all. We have to mix that both of them will mix up properly. You can see that nothing is in one side and nothing on other side. Everything is mixed. Now we will put a little lemon. We have to put a little first. And we will put now black salt. want more salty, we can put more salt. I have put it here and now I will mix it. We will mix it properly that the black salt cannot be seen. If we want more sour, we can put more lemon, but if we don't want more sour, we should put this much lemon only. I have mixed it and this is my salad.